Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be vacuuming out my pool because it rained, and a couple of days ago it got real cloudy. Can't tell you why, but it was fine, and then the next morning it was very cloudy, so I threw a little bit of shock in there, not too much, and then it wasn't clearing up. Had the filter running, and then I was gonna put some diatomaceous earth in the filter. That's another sand filter trick, by the way, for another video, but I'll go ahead and do a sneak peek. If you put diatomaceous earth in your sand filter, a little bit, it makes it filter down to a lower micron, and then it cleans up your pool real fast. So today I went to the pool store, picked some diatomaceous earth up, and then came home and the pool was perfectly clear. So it can be a little clearer, but I'm gonna get the little toys out, vacuum it out, give it a brush, and it'll be ready to swim this afternoon. Alright, let's go with the time lapse. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and skim the pool, and then I'll show you how to set up a vacuum. Alright, let's go to the time lapse. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to set up a manual vacuum. So first, you're going to go over to your equipment, and you're going to look to the pump, and then you're going to have some valves here. We're going to shut off the main drain right here. Shut off the main drain, and then we're going to shut off this skimmer. And I have this skimmer labeled vacuum. That's the closest one to the spa, so that's the one we're going to hook up to. And then you're going to go over to your skimmer. Right here. There we go, that's a good view. We're gonna take the lid off. We're gonna open up the basket. And then you're gonna do the same thing to the other one. But this one's shut off, but I open this. Yeah, this has a lot of stuff in it. And then you're gonna see me prime the hose up. Which you'll see in the time lapse. But I will go into the priming and stuff of the hose in a later video. But alright, I'm gonna get the pool vacuumed out. Alright, here's the time lapse. Just before we get the vacuum going, I want to give you a good look at what's on the bottom, so you can see what the difference is between before and after. So you can see we have some dirt down there. We have leftover shock that's still on the bottom. Shock residue. It's no longer active, so it can't stain the plaster. We got some leaves, mostly dirt from the rain. That we got a storm last night, and yeah, there's a big pile of it right there and on the shelf in the hot tub. So I hope the camera gets all of the vacuuming, but you'll see me. Alright, enjoy. Put this skimmer in. Looks really good. So we're gonna go check in the pump basket, check on the filter. So we're gonna empty the pump basket. Remember, we turn it off. Gotta pop it open. Only a couple leaves, not too much. A couple times, hit it a couple times. We're good. And then put it back in, start it up. Let it prime up. Remember, let the air bleeder out. See all the water coming out? Let the air get out. We're good to go. We're gonna see our filter pressure. It's around 18, 19. Couldn't backwash soon. So oh, our water feature just kicked on. So we're going to hit the bubblers. Let's see. Alright, thank you everyone for tuning in to today's video. And I have a new video coming out probably on Saturday. Green pool cleanup, green to clean video. So stay tuned for that one. And make sure to subscribe, like, and if you comment down below, done. And after you do that, I will give you a shout out. I'll pick someone to give a shout out to. So today's shout out goes to Mary Hardwick. I'm going to put her name in the screen right here. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.